It's time for nostalgia. Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth18 and today I am gonna be playing the original Angry Bird game. Wow. So this is actually not Rovio's classic Angry Bird. This is the one that they deleted off of the App Store. That's because I wanted to do a series on this and I deleted not delete, I installed this game before they put the Rovio's classic Angry Bird. So this is not the same, but this is close enough. And I heard that the Rovio's classic doesn't have all of the levels. Like it doesn't have like the new one. It just have the original, like 5 ones. I think that's how many it was. But yeah. So I am gonna be doing level 1 to 21, and then that's gonna be how much I'm gonna do each episode. And I am doing this a little bit different because I am not playing while commentating. I'm actually playing first, and then right now I'm editing and commentating. So yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be easier doing it that way. But let's just do it. Wow, this brings back so many memories. I used to play it a lot. I think I played the original. I think I played level 1 to 21 like it feels like a billion times because I download a game. This is just anything I download, or maybe an Angry Birds game, but I download an Angry Birds game, and then after a few months I go like, I really play this a lot and I need more space for other games I want to play, so I'm gonna delete it. And then after a few months, man, I wanna know how it feels like to play that Angry Birds game I deleted. So then I installed the game again. And then after a few months, I deleted it again. And then it's just a constant cycle of that over and over until Rovio just deleted them off the Play Store. And I think you can still download the game. I don't think, I know that you can still download the game, the Angry Birds game, even though they're not in the App Store or Google Store, whatever. But I didn't know that, so I went for the longest time. Man, I really want to play those old Angry Birds games, but I can't. So yeah, and that's how I went until I realized it. So let's just. I feel like I want to talk about multi-game here. So we almost defeated the pig, and I missed a lot because the old Angry Birds game didn't have like a thing where it shows you, oh, here's the blues. Wow. I think I wasn't used. It feels weird like with the physics because I played a lot of new Angry Birds games, and I don't know, the new ones just felt easier, and these ones just felt like the hardest. Like that. That if that was in the new game, like in the new Angry Birds game, that would have been easy. But no, it's hard. And then it falls down. Okay, I just want to commentating on the game. Let's talk about another thing. So before I wanted to do a series on this, I wanted to do a series on Angry Birds Go. But like, I want to get the old version. But because no one would watch if I did the new version. And plus the new one is boring, so I got my friend, and I'm like, can you help me download a game in the old version? Wait, what? he was like so confused that I wanted to download a specific version. But yeah, we tried and then we failed because it was an old version on an old game. So yeah, it was difficult. And honestly, that's all I have to say. Okay, let's go back to commentating to the game because there's something else I can commentate about. Something there was some castle. Looks like this level is a castle. Oh yeah, I remember playing this one. Well then again, I just played it, so like, of course I would remember it. And I have no idea what happened there. And then, oh, Chuck, nice. It feels like Chuck is like, for some reason, like feels better to use in this game than other games for some reason. I don't know why. And oh yeah, I want to talk about the stars. So you get stars and it like puts you in a collection, and then I feel like I don't like that because I'm always gonna get like 1 star, and I'm like, and it's just gonna run out eventually because I'm probably gonna always get 1 star. Like, look. Okay, I just started playing the level in a way. Okay. One more pig. And well, okay, that's 2 stars. But usually I get 1 star because I don't really care about the stars in like this game. But like I have to care about them because they're like a cult. And because they're like a cult, it just makes it like a bit more frustrating. But yeah. And that's all I really have to say about stars, like currency system thing. Yeah. So in this video I'm not really talking about the game, I'm just talking about other stuff, just because there was nothing I have to say to the levels because I already played these 21 levels for like a billion times. Yes, I'm over exaggerating, but people something exaggerate too, so I didn't really paid attention to like the storyline. I just was like every time I see a cutscene I'm like, oh cool, a picture about musical. But it turns out there was story. Wow. So this is actually like we defeated one of King Pig's like minion, like I don't know. See you guys later.